Hello, welcome to World Adventures Preschool. What's that, Sammy? Did you want to go dancing? No. Oh, Sammy wants to go hide in today's adventure, so let's go find him. Today's adventure, we will be exploring the letter sounds W, S, and H with the story The Ant and the Grasshopper, an AESOP Fable, illustrated by Barbara Vagnozzi. Remember, we're looking for Sammy in today's adventure. Do you see him? There he is, and there he goes. Let's go match some letter sounds. Why are you working so hard? You should be resting and enjoying yourself like me, the grasshopper said to the ant. Let's look at the word working. Does it start with the letter R? The letter R makes the sound. Or does the word working start with the letter W? The letter W makes the W sound. Working starts with the W sound, so it's the letter W. Let's go try another one. In no time at all, the sun disappeared and the weather turned cold. The field became covered in a layer of frosty white snow. Let's look at the word snow. Does it start with the letter D? The letter D makes the D sound. Or does the word snow start with the letter S? The letter S makes the S sound. Snow starts with the S sound. So it's the letter S. Let's try one more. The grasshopper even found time to help the ant to make up for his bad behavior and thank him. Let's look at the word help. Does it start with the letter H? The letter H makes the H sound. Or does the word help start with the letter B? The letter B makes the B sound. Help starts with the H sound. So it's the letter H. Do you know what else starts with the letter H? Look at the grasshopper. He looks happy. Great job matching letters with their letter sounds with the story The Ant and the Grasshopper. Let's find Sammy one more time. Do you see him? There he is, and there he goes. Come on back, Sammy, and say goodbye to our friends. Where is that silly Sammy? Do you see him anywhere? You do? Oh, hi, Sammy. Sammy said if you like that adventure, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Be sure to join us for more adventures. See you soon. Bye-bye.